Make sure that scraper alignment is correct before we increase the speed.
Roger that, checking it now.
Check the pH levels on vat 3.
Readings are stable.
Okay, this section looks good. Mark that one for further review.
Careful with that edge. Got it, moving to the jets now.
All right, lower section 3 into the yellow. Careful now.
The pH level in tank 3 needs adjusting.
Roger that. I'll check the calibration.
Tension good on number 3. Roger, maintaining speed.
Check the alignment on cutter 3. Adjusting tension now.
Ensure the alignment is perfect before you trace.
Yes, checking the laser guides now.
Careful with that edge. Got it, aligning now. Okay, pressure holding. Next cycle ready. Keep it moving, next one. Checking temperature readings on line 3.
Are we seeing consistent thickness on this batch?
Scanner readings are within tolerance, but let's double check the density.
Careful with that edge.
Got it, thanks.
Section C, check alignment. Roger that. Panel looks good.
Alignment confirmed. Next unit.
Just a bit more to the left. Got it.
Adjust pressure on unit 3. It looks a bit light. Got it. Increasing now.
Secure the leg firmly.
Conveyor is moving. Next panel approaching.
Check the pressure on Unit B.
Readings are stable.
Looks good here. Looks good here. Let me double check that.
Got the next batch ready. Roger that. Cover's coming. All right, next one. Make sure these labels are straight. Careful now. All right, lift it up.
Got the last pallet logged.
Moving these to shipping.
Make sure these are all aligned before they hit the sorter. Got it, keeping them straight. All right, easy does it. Watch that corner. Got it, clear on my side. Make sure that pallet's secure. Copy that. Careful with that edge. Got it. This one goes on the conveyor. All right, this one's ready for the floor. Just a final touch here.
Make sure that cushion is perfectly aligned with the frame. Okay, checking the armrest height now. Careful with that edge.
Almost done here. Just a bit more on the armrest.
Check the legs too. How does that look now?
Perfect. Just a little more to the left on that one.
We've updated the count for the Eris armchair.
Got it. Updating the system now.
How does this spacing feel for customer flow?
Good, but let's test this one for comfort.
All right, that one's good. Let's get the next set.
Okay, I'll bring the trolley over.
These look perfect, and the client will be very pleased. Agreed. The new finish is exceptional.
Looks good over here.
Just a final check on this side.
This
The
was
the only-
one.
Is that more comfortable for you now?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. This chair features fully adjustable armrests for personalized comfort. Simply press here. And for ultimate relaxation,
Your delivery is scheduled for Tuesday. Will that work for you? Here is your receipt. Thank you for your purchase.
thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your new chair.
Pass me the tape gun, will you?
Sure. Okay, let's get this on the dolly. Ready? 1, 2, 3.